Hey everybody, welcome back. Welcome back to another episode of Candid Cleaning Conversations. Okay, I'm your host, Mrs. Johnson, and today we're going to be talking about things that will stop you from getting a contract. Yes, I have some things down here that I wrote. 5 things that will stop you from getting a contract, okay? And the first thing that I have down here on my sheet of paper is presentation. Yeah, some of this stuff that I'm going to talk about is really no-brainer type stuff, but I just felt like I needed to shed some light because some people clearly don't understand, don't know how important it is to have 5-star presentation. Your presentation is everything. You actually introduce yourself before you even speak. You introduce yourself when you walk into a building. Before you speak to anybody, your presentation, your walk, your energy, your smell, your look is everything. Okay? So do your hair, mama. Get your hair done, get your makeup on, nice little, blouse, shirt. Look good. Dress up, don't dress down. I shouldn't have to tell you guys this, but I had to put it on the list. Just we subcontract workout all the time. And I see stuff all the time. So that's why this is on my list. Okay. So presentation is everything. People judge you. Okay. They judge you by the way you look, the way you walk, you talk, you dress, everything. Presentation. You want to look like $1 million cleaning company when you go in here to try to win a contract. Okay. The next thing that's on my list is not having the proper insurance. Okay, not having the proper insurance will hinder you from getting a contract. Okay, so me, I personally specialize in Airbnbs and move outs, right? So with move outs, they always require you to have 3 things. They want you to have general liability insurance, automobile insurance, and workers' comp insurance. Okay, so we actually end up losing a contract this year because we didn't get our COI back to the property in time. And it was only because of the insurance broker that we were using at the time. I wasn't using my main guy. I was trying to use someone else. And it didn't work out good for me because this person took a very long time getting us the COI back. COI, that stands for Certificate of Insurance. So what happens is whenever the property tells you that you need to have a certain amount of limits, and they'll give you a list, they'll give you a sample COI. You take that, you give it to your insurance broker, and I usually tell my insurance broker just to match it, you know. He'll match it, bring it back to me, and then I'll give it to the property, and that's how I win the contract, right? Well, sometimes the insurance broker will get the COI wrong, and the wording on it might not be correct. So we go through this little insurance dance, and sometimes it may take weeks, okay? Subcontractors tend to get frustrated and back out of the whole deal. They're tired. They don't, they just give up a lot of times. But I'm here to tell you, it's really, you need to find an insurance broker that's good, man, that knows how to do business insurance correctly, okay? So that they can get you the COI back correct in time so that you can win the contract, because these apartment complexes, they don't have time to be waiting all month for your COI. They're going to go with another company. And that's what ended up happening to us. By the time I got the certificate to her, she already had somebody else. And I was like, God dang it. But that can stop you from getting a contract. Next thing on my list that will stop you from getting a contract is not following up with your clients. Yep, I said it. 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 I know I said it so many times before, but you must follow up. The fortune is in the follow up. The money is in the follow up. You must follow up with your clients. And you can actually do this through automation, okay? But in the beginning, you might not have all these CRM programs or even understand how to work them. So you might just be doing things the old school way. Just, hey John, did you get that bid? Or, just hit them up and see, did they get your quote, or are they still interested in a cleaning company? Call them, follow up with the people. I can't stress it enough, okay? But that's one of them. I think I'm on number 5. Oh gosh, this is a good one. Not being consistent. I know that sounds like a no-brainer as well, but you would be amazed how many people, they kind of sort of are waiting for things to fall in their lap. So before you decide to quit your cleaning company, before you decide to think that this thing is not working out for you, before you decide to have all these negative thoughts in your head about being a business owner and wanting to back out of this thing and all this negative stuff, because sometimes the devil could get to you, baby. It can get to your mind and you'll want to back up like, no, this ain't for me. I ain't get no clients and blah. Ask yourself, how much time did you spend this week working on your business? And be honest. Be really, really honest with yourself. Because we could give it a good, 2-3 hours a day. When I tell you, you have to have laser targeted focus, okay? You need to really be intentional with this thing. Like, you really have to be passionate with your business and do this like full time. Okay, you're a full-time entrepreneur now. Okay, so I just really want you guys to understand that consistency is everything. You can't be consistent for like a good 2 weeks and then the next 3 weeks you're doing the same shit that you was doing before you started the business. You just kind of playing games all day. You're on Instagram, you're on Snapchat, you're on, doing all this other stuff, TikToks and stuff like that. Stay consistent with your business. Stay consistent with marketing and following up. And it's always, like I said, it's good to consume information, but don't get addicted to consuming just consuming information. Sometimes we can get addicted to searching for the right answer. Like, you're addicted to searching for the right answer. When you already got the right answer, you just have to execute. Okay? So that is my time for today. Those are all my reasons why I feel like you guys may not be getting the contract. Okay? Rewind the video if you got to, but that's my time. Please comment down below and check out our merchandise that we have down there. Thank you to everybody that has been purchasing the merchandise, by the way. I wanted to give you guys a good thank you, for supporting the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video, okay? Make sure y'all comment down below, okay? And subscribe, all that good stuff, all right? I'm out of here.